In this video, I'll show you the best email marketing software and I'll show you how you can use it. Hi all, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and I own an e-commerce growth agency. We currently work with 20 different businesses in the United States, Australia and United Kingdom. We do Facebook ads, Google ads and email marketing. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the platform that I use for email marketing and how you can implement it in your online store and start generating revenue. Hey guys, so here I'm on my computer and let's crack on. So the platform that I'm using for all of my clients is Klaviyo. Now this is obviously a test account that I'm using for recording purposes on YouTube and other platforms, but Klaviyo has been great. Klaviyo has everything you need to run successful email marketing and SMS marketing. It's all in one platform and we've been achieving great results. You can also customize absolutely everything. You can segment your audiences in a way that you can't segment them in other platforms. So yeah, let's get right into it. Now I'm gonna go through the menu and I'm gonna show you some key components here. So first you have the home. When you're on the home page, you have conversion metrics that you can filter everything. It's gonna show you your campaigns here and your top performing flows here. Now, as you can see, I have a flow that I created for a previous video, but it has done nothing simply because I don't have a opt-in to go through a flow. Then we're gonna go to campaigns. Campaigns is where you create the emails that you send manually. Now, these are no automatic emails. The automatic emails are flows, and here you create the campaign. So you're gonna hit create campaign. You can select the date. You can select the name of the campaign, and then you can tag people that you send the campaign. So let's click save and continue. You can choose the segment that you send campaign to. Don't send to, let's say, if you have a list that you don't want to send this campaign, you can select it here. You can include tracking, which I would highly recommend you to do so. And let's hit continue. Oops, let's go here. So here is your subject line. Now Klaviyo has a subject line assistant which you can use. You can add emojis, have preview text, sender name and sender email. Here is how you create your campaign. Now what we do in our agency, we have a graphic designer that creates the whole email on Photoshop and other tools, and then we just simply come here, click drag and drop. Here you're gonna select your template. In our agency we create the templates beforehand, so we have them in saved templates, but you just simply select the template, you add your email and replace everything here. So let's click use template. You can hit preview and test. When you create campaigns, like you have the flexibility to add absolutely everything. You can add text and it's simply drag and drop. You can add an image, you can add a split and button, header bar, drop shadow, horizontal line. So it's very, very simple to create amazing emails here. When you're ready, hit preview and test, send it to yourself, test it, and when you're ready, save and exit. Continue to review. Subject line, let's do test 1. And here you just hit schedule or send, and that's it. Simple as that. Let's go to flows. Now, flows are very important. I have a separate video which I'm gonna show you on the screen. There's gonna be a thumbnail on the screen, and I'm gonna link it in the description below and above, so you can click it and you can see the most important flows for email marketing and how you can create them. But with flows, again, very, very simple. Hit create flow, and Klaviyo has a lot of templates, again, just to help you. So you click view all templates and you can select email, and you have welcome series for customers and non-customers. You hit that and it populates it with a simple flow here. So first you need to select the trigger, and here first you need to create a sign up form. So with the sign up form is the pop-up that comes on the middle of the screen when people come to your website. So the trigger should be after people submit their email on the pop-up form, or after they go into a list, they join this flow. You hit create flow. So as you can see in this example, the trigger is when someone subscribes to a website optimization doc. This is a list of people who sign up through a form and want me to send them a website optimization doc in exchange for their email. Then you have a conditional split. So here you can add it trigger when someone subscribes to newsletter, and then you have conditional split. has placed an order? Yes. So here, this email is for existing customers because the split here is that they placed an order. If the split is that they did not place an order, you're gonna customize your email to send to people who have not purchased. So give them a discount code, suggest some of your best-selling products, etc. And then wait 3 days, and then you can send an email to follow you on social media. Now with welcome series, what do? We have two different flows. We don't keep welcome series for customers and non-customers in the same flow. We create a separate flow for customers and separate flow for non-customers. With the non-customers, we usually have about 5 to 8 emails depending on the brand. And with those emails, we give them discount codes. We suggest some of our best-selling products. We tell them about the story of the business. We introduce the founder. Basically, the welcome series for a non-customers should be to educate the potential customer on your product, to tell them more about the business owner and the brand so they can start engaging, they can get familiar with the behind the scenes, and basically you nurture them until they purchase. And again, if you want to edit an email, hit on the step and just click edit, and that's it. Then if you want to add different emails, you just hit email, drag and drop it here. If you want to add an SMS, again, drag and drop. Then if you want to add time delay, again, drag and drop, select how many days you want, hours, minutes, etc. You can also delay until a specific time of the day. You have webhooks and conditional splits. Again, everything is drag and drop, and you can customize basically everything. So let's hit exit. Sign up forms. I have again a separate video on sign up forms, so you can check it out. You go to sign up forms, hit create, and you have a lot of different templates. Again, for multi-step email and SMS, you have just for SMS, and this is full page, this is pop-up. Select one of those, customize it to your liking, and roll with it. Then you have audiences. Now this is very important, lists and segments. With lists and segments, here you create the lists and segments you want to send emails to. Now, the difference between lists and segments is that lists are static. They grow when people subscribe to those lists. Whereas that segments, they're dynamic and they grow depending on people's behavior that you already have in your lists. Hope that makes sense. So with the lists, you can create people who signed up through your pop-up form, people who signed up through your flyout form. You can create customers. Whereas it's with segments, you can create a segment. For example, one of the most popular ones Klaviyo suggests are engaged 30, 60, and 90. And what those segments mean. Engaged 30, for example, is people that you have in your list that have engaged with any of your emails in the past 30 days, which means people that have clicked or viewed an email that you sent in the past 30 days. And the same goes with 60 and 90. Then you have templates. With templates, here you create your templates. I would highly recommend you to create maybe 3 to 4 different templates for campaigns and flows. So then when you need to create an email and send it, you just hit create on the campaigns, select your template and just add your email. But they have tons of different templates that you can choose, that you can get inspiration from. And yeah, next you have products. Here you need to connect your products, images and brand. You just upload your colors, logo, and everything about branding. Then analytics, you have the dashboard. You can create a lot of different dashboards. So let's do test. You can create a lot of different dashboards and choose what data to show. You can start from scratch. You can have flows performance details. You can have email funnel summary. So you can go from, I think this is display rate, open rate, and click rate. And then you can add also purchase rate. So there's a lot of different data you can see here, which is great because you as a business owner, you need to make data-driven decisions in order for your business to grow. Data tells everything. So it tells you if your emails are engaging, if your people buy from your emails, where is the bottleneck and everything. So track as much data as possible. Next we have metrics. Here you can see the data from all of your different metrics, benchmarks and custom reports. Then with conversations, here it's with emails and SMS. When you send, if someone replies, you can view all of them here. Now let's go to settings. Now settings can be found here on the bottom left. I simply didn't click it because there's sensitive information. But what you can do here is you go to billing, you can choose your plan. Klaviyo has a free plan, but you're gonna have limited access to their features. And on your pop-ups, people will see on the bottom of the pop-up made by Klaviyo or something like that. So you have plans, payment history, emails. You can choose here the branding. After you update your plan, this is gonna be gone. You can choose the different attributions. You can choose domain. This is extremely important step. So this is dedicated sending domain. When you start using Klaviyo, in the beginning, Klaviyo is gonna give you a sending domain. Now, the issue with that domain is that a lot of other businesses that have signed up for Klaviyo are gonna be using that sending domain. If you have seen, for example, a brand sends you a campaign or a marketing email, and you see, for example, Alex at Titan Agency via Klaviyo and then some numbers. So those are the sending domains. When multiple businesses use those sending domains, if one of the businesses is sending spammy domains, it affects every business that's using that same domain. So it's very important to set up your own custom dedicated sending domain. How you can do that? You come here, you click get started. Klaviyo is gonna give you different DNS codes. You need to go into your hosting and you need to replace the current DNS codes with the ones from Klaviyo. Or I believe there was some custom ones that you simply need to add. It's very easy to do. Just hit get started and complete the steps. And yeah, that's about it. Now I do have videos that I would recommend you to watch after this one, how to set up your most important flows and how to create sign-up forms in order to get more subscribers to your email list. Both of those videos are gonna be linked in the description below, so go and check them out. And if you need anything, let me know in the comment section below and I'll cover it. So yeah, that was about it. If you have an e-commerce store and you want us to help you scale it, there's gonna be a link for you in the description below. Click it and let's find out if we can actually help you. And yeah, thank you for your time. If you found value in this video, like and subscribe. Helps me out to get these videos out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.